In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix update payment method problem. If Netflix also asks you to update your payment method constantly, then there are a couple of things that you need to check out. So for this method, we're going to use web browsers to open up Netflix. So just open up your web browser and search for netflix.com, and then just log into your Netflix account. Once you are logged in, you just tap on the three lines on the top left and open up the accounts. Now once you're here, you just scroll down a bit and tap on payment method info. Tap on edit and make sure that all of these details are correct. If one of these details are not correct, you could get that information. Other than that, you could also try adding in a new payment method, and that will solve your issue. Now sometimes there simply could be a glitch which may be causing that issue. So if you're getting that glitch on your Netflix app, what you can do is try to update it. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and then just search for Netflix. If there are any new updates, you can just tap on update and update the app. The second thing that you can also try out is uninstall the app of Netflix from your phone, and once the app has been uninstalled, you can again reinstall it and try logging in. Once you do these couple of steps, your problem of update payment method should be fixed. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.